Hi, I'm Tejas, and today in this video I'm going to tell you all the different things you need to do in order to make your footage look more cinematic. Hey guys, so this video is about how you can make your clips look cinematic. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Now, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you go and smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any future content. Now let's get into the video. So first off, I want to talk about camera movements. Now, camera movements can actually make your footage look a lot more cinematic. If your camera movement is a little shaky, well, I actually have a whole video on how you can stabilize shaky footage. So you can click on the link at the top of the video or in the description below, wherever you want. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, color grading. And this definitely makes a big difference. I'm not gonna get into color grading in this video. I have a whole tutorial on that. So yeah, again, you can click on the link at the top of the video or the one in the description below. Okay, so I'm done with color grading this video. Now let's talk about the aspect ratio. So most of the cinematic content you see is published in a 2.35 by 1 aspect ratio, which is the same thing as a 21 by 9 aspect ratio. And I'm going to show you how to recreate that effect in Premiere Pro. So first of all, you want to right click here, click on new item, and then adjustment layer, and then you want to press OK. Now you're going to drag this adjustment layer onto your clip. Next, you want to go into your effects tab and search for crop. And now you want to drag this effect onto your adjustment layer. Next, you want to go into the effects control panel, go to the crop tab, and change the value of top to 12 and bottom to also 12. As you can see, it just gave us this 21 by 9 aspect ratio, which actually makes a huge difference, and our content looks so much more cinematic already. So now the next thing I want to talk about is creating a sequence of clips. You see, when you create a sequence of clips and you're constantly switching between different scenes, or perhaps you're just switching between different camera angles, that just intrigues your viewer. So I'm just gonna import 2 more clips onto the timeline right here. Okay, so now that I have all my clips on the timeline, I'm gonna unlink the audio from these 2 clips, since I'm not gonna really use the audio in this case, and I'm gonna delete the audio. And now I'm gonna color grade these 2 other clips. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm done color grading the clips, and now I'm gonna drag this adjustment layer so that it covers all 3 clips, so that all of these clips get these cinematic bars at the top and the bottom. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is transitions, and these make a big difference. And honestly, when it comes to transitions, you don't really want to use the default transitions that Premiere provides. In most of the cases, you probably want to use some sort of a custom transition. So in this case, I'm going to use a whip transition between the first 2 clips, and then I guess I'll use a zoom transition between the second 2 clips. But honestly, you can use anything that you feel works right for your clip. Now if you want to learn how to create a whip transition, well, I actually have a whole video on that, which you should probably check out. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to talk about in this video is background music. And this is really crucial because good background music can really hook the viewer. And one thing I want to talk about is that you want to try to match the cuts in your sequence with the beat of your music. So wherever you hear a specific beat, that's when you want to cut your footage. So now I'm going to try to align my cuts along with the beat of this music. And now I'm gonna get rid of the extra music here. yeah, that's about it. Now, one thing I do want to talk about is adding your own extra elements. And these extra elements can be anything, honestly. Maybe you can add like a speed ramp or something, or just add whatever you feel will make your clip more cinematic. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And before I let you guys go, let me just show you what we've done today. So I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you guys learned something from it. If you did, make sure you leave a like, and why not smash that subscribe button?